Start date 0000.5. I am underneath my truck again. And I don't know if you can see this little doohickey here. What that is a Torsion crossmember bushing. I've replaced these before, but as you can see, this one here is kind of dry rotted. However, I only got one because I thought I was just going to have to replace this other one because I don't remember why exactly, but it's supposed to have this bushing that's sort of where is it? Sort of a D-shaped here that sits against the frame like that. It keeps this from knocking against the frame like that. But mine is knocking against the frame on that side. So I got one to replace that side. I thought it was this side, so I'm under this side right now. But I gotta move over there. So let's move over there. Okay, I moved over to the other side. As you can see, this one doesn't have that D-shaped bushing, so there's space there so it can bang into the frame. What I've done is I put a jack under here, just snug, and jack the truck up just to keep it from coming off when I loosen this bolt. So I need to take off this bolt and then that bolt. So you got to get an extension, go through that hole right there and hold that side. So I'm going to need to do both hands to do that. Alright, captain's log update. Got that back in. I decided to do something different. I put these two washers on either side of that bushing in there. And let me show you why here. This is the one that was in there, right here. And you can see that's kind of worn out. That little bushing that went in there. See how it kind of oblonged it? And sort of loosened up. Just fell right out and almost broke my phone. So I've got that one up in there. Just got to tighten that. Got that one on there. I'm going to tighten that. Put the phone down now and tighten everything up and show you when I'm done. Alright, got her. Got it tightened up there. Tightened up there. It's all nice and solid up in there. Up in there. And I could lower the jack. Let the weight or tension off that. It's pretty safe to do. You just put a jack under here, under this torsion crossmember. I think I'm not gonna do this on camera, but I'm gonna grease my U-joints because I got a new needle greaser, and I'm gonna measure up my muffler back there. I'm gonna probably replace the muffler. I got a new welder. I got the well, I'll do a video on that. You'll see. If you got a clunk under your truck and it feels like it's hitting under your seats, because that's about right where it is, this may be your problem. So have a look at them. Make sure it's got that D-shaped bushing on both sides and that they're not all cracked. Welcome to a segment I call bench time. This is the part number for that link that I put in. It's a Moog part. That's it right there. I'll put it in the description as well. So if you want to replace that, you've got that clunking noise. And the next thing I'm going to be working on is this. I got to replace the sending unit on my fuel pump. That video I did on the fuel gauge didn't fix it, so it's the sender. And I tested this one. It works. I haven't tested the one on the truck. I'm sure that's what's wrong though. It's got a certain amount of resistance this thing does, and it's probably failed. Although I did replace the pump in the truck about 3 years ago. But anyway, what I did also, I'm going to wait to do that because I ordered a new pump, not the whole assembly, but just the little, like they call it, a rebuild kit. I'll put a link for that too in the description. Well, I'll wait for that video. Never mind that. Don't look for the link. You'll be confused. Don't look for it. So I just got the pump to replace and this thing. So I'll basically have a new pump. I figure I'm going to have it out. You know, why risk it? Why waste the time? Then after all that fun entertainment, I'm going to do intake gaskets, lower intake manifold gaskets. Everybody gets the Velcro. They come as a kit, and it's got the lower or upper intake manifold gaskets. I don't need those. I already did all that when I did my fuel spiders. So I found these. They look just pretty much like the Velcro. They're I don't know how to say that. Right there, Mahali. Got those on Rock Auto. I'll put a link to these down there. So that'll be the end of this video. And until the next one, see you later.